Hey guys, just want to make a quick video and show you these Amazon Basics USB powered speakers for your computer. I mean, these things are awesome. You can see how they're lit up like that. And honestly, they have a lot of weight to them. Now, they have a lot of weight and I wasn't sure how they were going to sound. I saw them online. I saw a couple of videos, but you know what? I wasn't sure, but believe me, these are heavy. They're heavy. They're great quality and they sound freaking awesome. I'm not kidding. Look at the cool LED the blue light there, or the purple, however it looks on your on the video. But you can see here where it is. You can see there's a little light underneath there, a little LED light that's powered by your computer. And these speakers sound like amazing. I'm not kidding, guys. Amazing. Amazon Basics, and they're heavy. They are not a light speaker. I'm going to put them on the scale real quick here. I'm telling you, they're not light. When I mean they're not light, they are not light. They are heavy, heavy. I was shocked how heavy these were. So together these speakers weigh almost 2 pounds. That's a lot for a small little speaker. That means it has a fairly good sized magnet on each one of these. And I want you to hear how they sound and I want you to see how they look. I'm going to shut the light off real quick. I want you to see this and I want you to hear how this sounds. This is awesome. Shut the light off. You can see how cool they look, right? You get that nice glow. You get the really cool glow in the background. Look at that. Aren't these awesome? These are freaking awesome. I love these speakers. And I was just shocked how good they are. I want to show you the sound. Ready? You can see these things sound freaking awesome. I love these things. I'm definitely highly recommend these high quality speakers. They sound fantastic. You can't go wrong. Super awesome. The way they look, the way they sound, you definitely got to pick these up. Thanks for watching the review.